What's up guys, my name is DiDio, and in this video we're talking about how to play Glorious Day by Passion. It's a super fun lick and just song entirely, so let's jump into the video. Alright guys, thank you very much for clicking on this video. We're doing a tutorial now on the lick for this song. Not the chords just yet, but maybe if you let me know in the comments if you want to see a video about the chords and strumming pattern. Put it in the comment section below if you want to see it. But until I get some feedback from the comment section, I won't do it, so make sure you go down there and put it in there. But first we're starting off with this lick, and it's based off of the B minor pentatonic scale. Now if you don't know what the pentatonic scale is, I have a whole video about that, and I'll link it up right here. It talks about the minor pentatonic scale, improvising, that kind of stuff. The minor pentatonic scale is used very often, and this is just another example of how cool it can really sound. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, share it with your friends, and comment if you have any questions or if you want me to do a video on the chords. But let's jump into the video. You might be asking yourself the question, this song is in the key of D, but why am I playing a B minor pentatonic scale? Well, I was about to say there's a simple answer to this. There's not really a simple answer to this. It becomes simpler once you understand more music theory, which we'll cover more on that in the future, music theory, so make sure you subscribe again and ring the little bell to get notified whenever I put out new videos. But we'll cover that more in the future. The B minor pentatonic scale is a scale that can be in the key of D too. Now, this is hard to explain, so I'm going to explain it real fast and then we'll get into the lick. The key of D has 7 notes as usual, or 8 notes if you count the octave. But the 7 notes are D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, notice that B, and then C sharp, and then back to D again, which that's the octave. But the B in there, that's what we're focusing on. That is called the relative minor chord. What that means is they are very similar in the notes that are played. Now there are minor differences. Minor differences. I didn't mean the pun unintended. There are some differences in these keys, but we won't get too much into that now. Just know that the minor pentatonic scale, the B minor pentatonic scale, works in the key of D, and we'll be focusing on those notes in this tutorial. Alright, so basically the whole lick is starting at the D note and making our way down to another D note. Fairly simple, except you might think, whoa, that gets fast. How in the world am I going to be able to play that? Well, with just a little practice, you'll be able to get it in no time, I'm sure. Alright, so we're starting with our third finger. Now you can use your third finger or your pinky finger. I like to use my third finger though. Starting with our third finger on the 10th fret of the high E string. We're kind of hitting that twice. And then we're doing a quick thing. So D, D, and then you hit the D flat note, or C sharp note, excuse me, on the 9th fret, and then you pull off to the first finger on the 7th fret of the high E string. And then you bring, again, your third finger or pinky down to the 10th fret of the B string. Now we're going to play our first finger on the 7th fret of the B string twice, and then third finger on the 9th fret of the G string. And we do that twice. And then like on the second time, or maybe sometimes fourth times, you hold that note, you hold the note that's on the 9th fret of the G string out a little longer. And then you bring it back down to the first finger on the 7th fret of the G string. And you hold that out a little bit longer. So I'm going to go ahead and play it kind of slow, and you go ahead and play it along with me. 1, 2, ready, go. But yeah, that lick is done 4 times, and then on the 4th time it brings it back down to that D note, the first finger on the 7th fret of the G string. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed the content. Make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this one, and again, put in the comments if you want me to do a video on the chords and strumming pattern for this song, and I'll do a video on it hopefully in the next few weeks if I get enough comments in the comment section below. But thank you for watching this video. I hope that you got some value out of it. If you did, please smash the like button and share it with your friends. Maybe in the future I'll do some more videos specifically for praise and worship teams or praise and worship bands that are looking to really enhance their musical abilities. So if that's you, or if you know someone who would like content like that, then share this channel with them. I think they might like it. There's a lot of guitar techniques already on here, and soon to be a lot more. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.